Hello everyone, welcome to the presentation of AnantaNetra, an innovative AI-powered air quality monitoring and prediction system specially designed for India. Air pollution is a grave health crisis in India. Over 2 million lives lost annually due to poor air quality, affecting every community. Most citizens lack access to granular, real-time AQI data to make informed health decisions. AnantaNetra, meaning Eye of the Sky, remedies this by providing real-time AQI data across 122,000 plus PIN codes, powerful AI models for 24 to 168-hour AQI predictions with high accuracy, personalized, AI-driven health advisories through Google Gemini AI integration, pollution source tracking based on actual datasets of 20,000 plus factories and 90,000 plus vehicles, and a comprehensive, user-friendly dashboard with clear visual insights. This system empowers citizens, healthcare providers, researchers, and policymakers with actionable environmental intelligence, helping save lives. Let me show you the powerful features of the live AnantaNetra dashboard. Begin with the search bar. Type any city or PIN code like Mumbai 400001. The system instantly suggests real matches from our extensive database of over 122,000 PIN codes. Upon selecting Mumbai, the dashboard comes alive with real-time data. The current AQI of 250 indicates poor air quality, visually highlighted by a deep orange-red hue, so users immediately understand the severity. Let's look closer at individual pollutants. PM2.5 is at 90.49 micrograms per cubic meter, PM10 at 114.34 micrograms per cubic meter. NO2 is currently 2.4 micrograms per cubic meter. Weather data complements these readings. Temperature is a mild 27.4 degrees Celsius, humidity at 48%, wind at 13.7 kilometers per hour, and visibility at 8 kilometers. All these factors contribute to how pollution spreads or lingers. The dashboard also provides real historical data, enabling you to track changes over time. AQI change over the past 24 hours shows an improvement by 18 points, a downward trend towards clearer air. The AI model confidence is robust at 95%, powered by XGBoost machine learning, ensuring reliable readings. Health risk is moderate, with alerts for vulnerable groups including children, and the elderly users can easily refresh data manually or rely on auto-refresh every 5 minutes to stay updated continuously. Further, the pollution breakdown section provides real numbers and percentages from your own factory dataset of 20,894 industrial facilities. Industrial sources account for 22.4% of pollution, just as vehicular pollution shares the same significant 22.4%. Biomass burning, mostly from agricultural waste, contributes 26.9%. Construction and dust adds 17.9%. Other sources sum up to 10.4%. This granular breakdown empowers both citizens and authorities to understand exactly where pollution is coming from. Finally, the AI-driven AQI forecast gives hour-by-hour predictions for the next 24 hours and an extended 7-day outlook. Each forecast point shows not only AQI values, but also confidence percentages and estimated temperatures. For example, it predicts AQI starting at 156 at midnight, peaking around 210 by early evening, helping users plan their activities accordingly. All of these features operate seamlessly with smooth animations, a sleek glass morphism design, and intuitive navigation, making the user experience both engaging and informative. AnantaNetra's Compare Cities feature is a powerful tool enabling side-by-side analysis of air quality across up to 4 cities simultaneously. From the dashboard, users can navigate to the Compare Cities section where they can add up to 4 cities by name or PIN code. Here, the system displays live AQI data fetched directly from our back-end, showing real-time pollution levels, enabling quick, clear comparisons. This helps users understand regional pollution differences. For instance, seeing how Mumbai's AQI stacks up against Delhi, Bangalore, or other metropolitan areas. Additionally, the city rankings page displays the top polluted cities in India, ordered by their current AQI values. Currently, you might see cities like Tumakuru and Kozhikode and Mahesana ranked high with poor air quality status. Each city entry shows rank number, city, and state current AQI value, air quality category, poor, moderate, good, etc., 24-hour AQI change, indicating improvement or deterioration. users can scroll through the paginated list to explore rankings for 50 or more cities. Together, these comparative and ranking features provide comprehensive situational awareness, empowering citizens and policymakers to target effective air quality interventions and personal precautions. Next, I want to highlight the health advisory feature, one of the most critical components of AnantaNetra. This system provides live AI-generated health recommendations based on current air quality and weather data, powered by our integration with Google's Gemini AI. For example, with a current AQI reading of 156, indicating a moderate risk level, our advisory warns citizens to avoid all outdoor exposure to minimize the risk of respiratory issues. Refrain from any physical activity outside, which can exacerbate health problems. Recommended precautions include staying indoors as an emergency safety measure, using air purifiers within homes to reduce indoor pollutant concentrations, seeking medical help promptly if symptoms worsen, even closing schools temporarily during severe pollution episodes to protect children. This advisory is crucial for everyone, emphasizing an emergency situation when AQI levels rise dangerously. It especially focuses on at-risk groups, like children, the elderly, and individuals with pre-existing health conditions. Throughout, the advisory clearly communicates that these health tips are AI-powered, evidence-based recommendations that reflect both pollution levels and weather factors. Residents are encouraged to consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice, but rely on these guidelines for immediate protection. This adds a human-centric dimension to our platform, not just reporting numbers, but actively safeguarding public health. To conclude, I want to share the technical backbone and the dedicated team behind AnantaNetra. Our backend is built on Fast API, a modern Python framework, serving 18 well-tested REST API endpoints efficiently. These provide real-time data, forecasts, health advisories, and analytics with millisecond response times. The front end is developed using React 18 with TypeScript, delivering a sleek, responsive, and interactive user interface. The design integrates glass morphism effects and dynamic animations for an engaging user experience. Our datasets include over 200,000 records, spanning 122,014 PIN codes with geospatial data, 20,894 industrial facilities, 93,000 plus vehicles, tracked for emissions, demographic and forest coverage data. Machine learning models combining LSTM, XGBoost, random forest, and linear regression have been trained extensively across historical data, achieving 95% accuracy. The entire system is rigorously tested with real data, ensuring all features function flawlessly, without reliance on mock data. Finally, AnantaNetra is brought to you by a dedicated team. Yash, Akshad, Pranav, Saurabh, and Tejas, second-year B.Tech computer science and engineering students specializing in artificial intelligence and data science at Sanjivani University, Kopargaon. Together, we hope this system empowers India with precise, actionable, and life-saving air quality intelligence. Thank you for your attention.